If you've been wanting to create content fast without a ton of headache and that you can monetize quickly, then pay close attention to this very short video, because I'm going to show how you can do just that regardless of skill level. It doesn't matter whether you're a blogger, author, marketer, or service provider. I can show you how to create profitable content faster than ever. Hi, I'm Amy Harrop, and I've just recently released a brand new training titled The Easy Content System. Inside the specialized training, complete with a software dashboard, PDF step-by-step guide, training videos, and cheat sheet, I'll share things like why this special type of content is often free, done for you, in high demand, underutilized, and perfect for fast content creation. How to tap into massive amounts of free content, not PLR, that you can easily use to make unique books, reports, blog posts, printables, and much more. A simple hack to get massive viral traffic, simply by choosing the right platform based on this, and so much more. You can see full details below this video, but if you're interested in creating a low-content publishing empire, short reports, books, blog posts, or more, you need to pick up this training today, especially since it's being offered at an extreme discount for a limited time. We all know content is king, and with the Easy Content System, you'll create tons of content at lightning speed. Go ahead and view all the details on this page, and I look forward to having you as part of the Easy Content System community. The Easy Content Dashboard is very easy to use. It's an application, and you simply double-click on it to open, and then it will pop up for you here. Now, you may have a virus protection software or firewall, and you'll have to allow it or say yes, it's okay, just because it may not be familiar with the software. And you can see here it's divided into different sections. Now, this also correlates with the spreadsheet of data tools that's included with the Easy Content System. So if you prefer to just use the spreadsheet directly, you can certainly do that as well. You simply double click on a section here and it will pop up. It'll give you the name of it, the URL, free or paid, and a lot of them will vary. They might have some different types of plans, and then a short description here as well. Now, to open this, what you would do is you would just go to one of these and you would actually just click on it here. So data.gov, and what it's going to do is it's actually going to open into Internet Explorer most likely, because that's the default browser that's with the software. So you can see it here. Now, if you don't want to use Internet Explorer, you can simply just copy the URL, and let's say, for example, you want to use Chrome, then you can go up here to Chrome and do that instead. But if you want to double click on it and open it automatically, then it will open most likely in Internet Explorer. So we have databases and data sets, charts and tables, timelines, maps, audio, images, and video, tools and tips, that's a little more general, and then there's just a short training here, and the terms as well. I hope you enjoy this, and I look forward to hearing of your success.